Memory is a powerful tool that shapes our experiences and defines our understanding of the world. In today's fast-paced society, improving our memory is not just beneficial, it is essential. You may often find yourself struggling to remember names, dates, or even simple tasks. But what if I told you that enhancing your memory is within your reach? Let's embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of a sharper mind. First, let's understand that memory is not a static ability. It can be trained and improved. Just like a muscle, the more you use your memory, the stronger it becomes. One of the most effective techniques is the method of visualization. When you visualize information, you create a mental image that makes it easier to recall later. For instance, if you want to remember a person's name, imagine their name written on their forehead. This simple trick can significantly enhance your ability to remember names and faces. Another powerful technique is the use of associations. Linking new information to something you already know creates a mental bridge that strengthens your memory. For example, if you're trying to remember a new word, associate it with a word you already know. This connection can help you retrieve the information much more easily. Furthermore, repetition plays a crucial role in memory retention. The more frequently you revisit information, the more it solidifies in your brain. Consider using flashcards or spaced repetition systems to enhance your learning process. But memory improvement is not just about techniques, it's also about mindset. Believing in your ability to improve your memory is a crucial first step. Positive affirmations can boost your confidence and motivate you to practice memory-enhancing techniques. It's important to remember that every small step counts toward your goal. Another aspect to consider is your environment. Creating a distraction-free space can significantly enhance your concentration and memory retention. Find a quiet place, eliminate distractions, and focus solely on the task at hand. In addition to these strategies, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is vital for optimal brain function. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are key components of a memory-friendly lifestyle. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells. Similarly, a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins can protect your brain from damage. Sleep is equally important. It is during sleep that our brains consolidate memories. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your memory is functioning at its best. Now, let's not forget the importance of staying mentally active. Engaging in puzzles, reading, or learning new skills keeps your brain sharp and agile. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and embrace lifelong learning. Did you know that social interactions can also boost your memory? Connecting with others stimulates your brain and can help improve cognitive function. Participate in discussions, join clubs, or simply engage with friends and family. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your mind active and your memory sharp. As we wrap up, remember that improving your memory is a journey, not a destination. Implement these techniques into your daily routine, and watch as your memory transforms. Stay committed, be patient, and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Your memory is a treasure. Nurture it, and it will serve you well throughout your life. Every moment spent improving your memory is an investment in your future success. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and start practicing today. The road to a sharper memory begins with you, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals.